Ayan, this is PJ AZURIN, and we can teach you how to blur your videos using YouTube Studio. Okay, ang unang topic natin syempre ay turuan muna tayo bago magtugtugan. So, I will teach you how to edit your video and blur your video on YouTube Studio. It's the new feature of YouTube Studio. Okay? So, tara, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Of course, punta tayo sa YouTube Studio. Share screen. Okay. Naka-share na ba? Yan. Punta tayo sa videos, of course. And siguro, ang suggest ko, Helping Hand, Wonders of the World, mega love, shoutout sa iyo. So, I'm gonna teach you how to blur your video. It's either a face or a custom blur. This is a new feature of YouTube Studio. So, just select one of your videos, okay? And make sure andun yung mukha nyo, di ba? Just click on the editor. Yan, just click on the editor. And there's a section here. Yan, blur. Yan, blur. I want you to blur. And so you'll be able to select it's either face blur, yan, or custom blur. Okay? Blur parts of your video. Okay? So you can select face blur kung gusto nyong takpan yung mukha nyo. Okay, yan. Takpan natin yung mukha natin, di ba? Para, yan. So, ganyan na magiging itsura. Yan. 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 Kunwari, meron kayong pinoprotektahan na tao. Yan. You can blur parts of those video. Okay? So, you can adjust kung gaano katagal nyo lang i-blur yung mukha niya. Mukha ko talaga yung i-blur. Ayan. So, like for example, yan. Diba? Meron pa. Ayan. So, depende sa duration that you want it to blur. And you can adjust as well. Gaano kaliit, gaano kalaki yung i-blur nyo. Yan. Kunwari, meron kayong parts na ayaw nyo ring ipakita. Yan. Pwede nyo gamitin ang blur. Face blur or custom blur. Pag itong sinelect nyo ang custom blur, yan, merong isang section pero box type naman siya. Yan. Kunwari, ayaw kong makita yung brand ng shirt ko. Ayan. And then, pwede nyo rin i-select kung gaano katagal. Ayan. Gaano katagal nyo siya i-blur ang section. Ayan. So, pag play ko, ayan, ayan. See your truth. Ayan. Automatic mablur yan. And then, pag dumating na dun sa portion na i-blur nyo naman yung mukha nyo, mablur. Ayan. Ang maganda dito, pina-follow niya na kung nasaan yung pagmumukha mo. Ayan. Pina-follow niya na kung saan yung pagmumukha mo. Ayan. You will be able to select yan. You will be able to select and then ipa-follow niya kung nasaan yung i-blur niya na mukha. Okay? And pwede ka rin pwede yung fixed blur position or track object. Yan. Ita-track niya yung object and then ipa-follow niya Yan. Star Estrelio, mega love, shout out to you. Yan, we're just talking about how to use the new blur feature of YouTube Studio. This is a section of our live stream where I teach you how to dog. I teach you how to use the YouTube platform. Ender Girl 2340, mega love, shout out to you. Okay, for the custom blur shape, it's either rectangle or gusto nyo oval din yung section. Yan. And then, for the face blur, yan. Pwede nyo makita or ayaw nyo, pwede nyo i-delete. And then, pwede nyo i-select manually kung gaano katagal. Yan, 35. Yan. Pwede nyo i-select or you can just drag and drop here kung gaano katagal. How long do you want to blur your face? Yan, blur your face. Not presentable. Okay, and then if you want, like for example, I want this to be because I don't want the TikTok. Yan. TikTok talaga yan. I don't want the TikTok to be seen. Yeah. I will be able to select it. Okay. I'll be able to select. Yeah. I will be able to, uy, ang galing oh, di ba? Yan. Yan. I will be able to blur parts of my video or ayaw nyo ng watermark, di ba? Nung TikTok. Pwede nyong palitan. Ayan. And boom. Di ba? Wala na. Kailangan mo yatang i-track. Yan. Track object or fixed blur position. Siguro fixed blur position ang gamitin natin. Okay? So, pag plinay natin, yan. So, yung face, tinatrack niya kung saan yung motion niya. And then yung rectangle or yung custom blur, you can select, it's either you track an object or you fix the blur position. Okay. Ayan. I hope I was able to impart another knowledge sharing for you guys. This is how to use the new blur. New blur feature of YouTube Studio. Again, let me tell you, you go to your videos, you select what videos you want to edit, and then from there, you will be able to just click the plus button. Yan, plus button, and it's either you want a face blur or a custom blur. You will be able to select the duration and time on how long will the blur appears or disappear. 1/2, 1. And you will be able to select what shape do you want. If you want custom blur option. So I showed you that I want to blur or mask the TikTok. TikTok here, and it shows or it already masked it. And for the duration, I selected the full duration of it. It will be blur. Okay. And then, you will be able to save yan. It's either you just save it as that video itself, or you can save as new video. Okay. So that, like for example, save video, TikTok, and then you will just say blurred version. Diba? So blurred version. Without the TikTok watermark. And you will be able to save, publish, unlisted, or delete the original video. Okay. Okay. Yun lang. And I hope that you were able to learn something from this knowledge sharing or this YouTube tips and tutorial. If you like this video, please do like and share. Again, this is PJ Azurin. My channel is all about music, food, and family. And I also teach YouTube tips, tutorials, and how to grow your channel. Okay? Yun lang. And I hope you learned something from here. Ayan, kala nyo tapos na. Ayan, ikakat ko lang yan para